My name is Rick Renner. People are often saying, Rick, what are all those things on your TV set? So today I'm going to show you this. This is a Russian Samovar. You say, what is a Russian Samovar? Well, it is the ancient equivalent of a hot water tea kettle. This was filled with water. There was a chimney in the top, and you put pine cones in, or wood chips, or perhaps coal. You would set it on fire, and it would begin to heat up the water. And then when the water was piping hot, you could come and serve tea through the spout. The Russian Samovar became an emblem of Russian culture. Of course, this existed long before the day of radio or television. And there was a samovar in the middle of every table in every home, and people would gather around the samovar, and they would have fellowship. They would heat up the samovar, and they would drink tea, drink hot drinks, and while they sat around the samovar, instead of sitting around a television, they sat around the samovar, and they would share stories, they would share humor, they would exchange truth. It became an emblem of Russian fellowship and hospitality. And the reason that we have a samovar in our studio is because 1 Peter chapter 4, verse 9 says, use hospitality one to another without grudging. And when I come into this studio and I see the samovar, I realize, just like people used to sit around the samovar and share life together, we are going to be sitting around the Word of God and sharing our life, sharing our experience. And we should do it with wide open hearts. What an opportunity that we can sit down together and exchange the Word of God with one another. We don't sit around a samovar, but we do sit around media, and together we have times of fellowship. What a wonderful thing. And that's why I have a Russian samovar in my studio.
Wow, wasn't that a great video? My friends, would you please subscribe, like, and comment under this video? Please do that. It will help us reach more people with the gospel of Jesus Christ.